Good morning. We got the latest on what will it is tropical uh, cyclone right now, but it'll get the name later today. And we have some good news for those of you in Western North Carolina. Latest indications are that this will not make landfall. It will probably stall out close to the coast and producing some heavy rainfall and some gusty winds and storm surge on the coast of North Carolina, more likely southern North Carolina, and then, of course, the coast of South Carolina. But the dreaded picture that we were getting yesterday, where it could rain itself out over western North Carolina, who just got hit a year ago from Hurricane Helene, it doesn't look likely now. However, look at this picture. Now, this is the latest information from the Euro model. This is a combination of them. And you see this Aurora effect? This is something you rarely see. You got Humberto on the right, and then on the left, you've got this developing tropical system. And it's having an effect on it. So we're expecting it right now to stall out. But how close to the coast will it stall? That's the question. At any rate, it does look like it's going to produce quite a bit of wind and rain along the immediate coast, but not as far inland. You could get an inch or two. Here in the tidewater, we're not quite sure. It remains to be seen what could or could not happen. But indications are that eventually it will move out to sea, being pulled by Humberto, which is going to be approaching a Category 3 sometime today. Now that, again, is the latest Euro model. But if we go over here, and again, this is from windy.com. This is a really good website that we use. Anybody can download it on the app, and you can get a really good idea at where the storm's going to go. This is what we look at. So again, we've got the Euro model, and then we're going to back up here to Sunday, and we're going to see what the GFS has for this. Because the GFS is forming in line pretty much to the Euro model. And you can see that here. It's causing it to approach the coast of South Carolina. Move it forward just a little bit. I'm going to get really close here. But it's not expected to go further inland onto western North Carolina. So that is how it looks right now. And again, you see that Aurora effect that we talked about from Major Hurricane Humberto, which could be a Category 4 by now, pulling the system. So the GFS has the storm not stalling out like the Euro. So this is something we're going to continue to watch. But like I said, at any rate, it does appear that this storm will not make landfall directly on the southeast coast, but there are a few that could bring it up close to North Carolina. A few. But the majority have it stalling out 3 or 4 days before moving out to sea. So not out of the woods just yet on the east coast, but you are more out of the woods in western North Carolina. Stay with News 24 for more details as we get this information over the weekend. I'm William.